Mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our live. Ayan, isang na namang panapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan sa laban ng Lourdes School QC versus our very own Lasal Green Hills. Good luck, Lasal.
I'm a player.
I-jump Paolo ka. Okay. Sumami oh. Ma'am, dito rin pa kayo, no? Sala-sala dito. Ma'am, pwede ako, no? Okay lang. Ay, wala, may nasignal, no? Wala. Para mahilo.
Titida ako.
Okay lang po ba? Yung alang Indian park. Thank you. Ay, sige po. Let's go. Good luck. First ball para sa atin. Oh, head up. First basket. Still. Cruz. Basket. Ako sa kabila po. Kabilang side po. Thank you. Sorry. Alright, it's okay. Out of bounds. Steal by Cruz. Side step. Floater, yes sir. Out of bounds. Number 7. Nice defense. Outlet pass. Ojeda. Uy, wala. Rebound by Josh. Passes shot. Attacking the basket. And there's a foul. Number 17 on the free throw area. With a quick back. Hard pass. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Ojeda. Tiago. Ojeda. Drop pass to Martinez. Sa corner. Floater. Yes, sir. Cruz, kissing the glass. Yes, sir. Ojeda. Yes, sir. Nalo ka na ang kalamangan ng LaSalle Green Hills. Number 1. Yan, of course. Steal by Cruz. Ojeda attacking the basket. Oh, no good. Rebound by Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. And there's a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 for Cruz. Another steal para Cruz. Back to no good. Rebound. There's a foul. Another steal by Cruz. Tiago. Mabulak. Looking for his teammate. Number 7. Offensive foul. What a pass to Cruz. Sige po. Number 17. Sensia. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, derecho. Wala. Rebound by another Cruz. Josh. Pass to Mabulak. Steal by Martires. Number 57. See. Bounce pass. Cruz. Offensive foul. Timeout. Bad pass. Steal by Martires. Pass to Cruz. Short. Rebound by Robles. To Mabulak. There's a foul. Si ating idol, Noah Zamora. Good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Second shot para kay Mabulak. Basket is good. 4 and 16. Marty Oriel. May tangan ng bola. Pass to Marty. Number 57. Back to Marty. Marty to Martires. Basket. Oh, bad pass. Naka-recover. Si Sensia.
Sensha attacking the basket. Block. Huling-huli ni Martires. Bola dito ng Lourdes School QC. Pass to Sensha. To Josh. Wala. Rebound. There we go. Marty. Pass to Bar. Akuzar. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Martires. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Mabulak. Sidestep. Wala. Rebound by Martires. Steal by Sensha. Mabulak. Josh. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Sensha. High pick up, reverse layup, wala, rebound by Cruz, spin, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line by Josh Cruz. Time remaining, last 26 seconds. Last set ng second shot ni Josh. Marty. Pass to Noah Zamora at the post. Kick out to Marty. 4-3. Short. Rebound by number 5. Number 24 to number 32. Pinas sa corner. Back to number 24. And that's a end of the first quarter. Vicious score is 18-5 in favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Second quarter tayo sa ating pagbabalik. Correction, 6-18. Back to the ball game. Ay, sorry. Ito lang po. Okay lang po. Oh, steal! Pass to Marty! Oh, block! By number 17. Sorry, that's 32. Number 5. Bounce pass to Josh Cruz. Basket is good. Sorry, that's not Cruz. It's a number 26. Back to Cruz. And that's a 3 seconds violation. is a foul. Number 24, pass to Mabulak, spin. Floater, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Marty. Oriel. Pass to Enocando. And basket is good. 20-8. Favor up our LaSalle Green Hills. Ayun na, number 24. Buhay. Pass number 26. Handoff. Nice finger roll. Marty to Acuzar. Pinas sa corner. Steal by Mabulak. Mabulak. Nagmamadali. Mabulak. Oy! There's a foul. Number 34. Acuzar. Sorry, that Enocando. Time out. LaSalle Green Hills. Time remaining 7 minutes and 11 seconds. 20 and 10. 10-point lead para sa LaSalle Green Hills. On the free throw area, juice number 82, Mabulak. Basket. Good rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Marty. Nice pass to Acuzar. Bad pass, steal by number 5. It's a foul. Oh, steal by Marty. Oy, what nice fake. Oy, no good. Another one. Rebound by number 57. Marty with a fake. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Enocando. 22-11. 11-point lead para sa ating LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan na ang double team. Oh, what a nice steal by Marty. Marty step back to, oh, in and out, rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to number 57, jump shot, wala, rebound by Noah Zamora. Floater using the board, yes sir, by Noah Zamora. Ayan, shoutout po sa ating team Mayor Francis Zamora and Ma'am Gary Zamora is watching right now. Oy, rebound ng Lourdes, number 6. Wala, rebound by number 64. 57, no good. Steal by Noah Zamora. Pass to Marty. Marty di diskarte. Pass number 57. Pass to Noah Zamora. Attacking man. There's a foul. Munti ka na. Ang tira doon. Shooting the line, jersey number 16. Noah Zamora. First shot, no good. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. By number 8. Number 2. Pass number 1. To Josh. Pass to Josh. Cruz, sumalaksak, wala. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando. Alfonso, pass to Marty. Number 57. Pass to Noah Zamora. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Ochoa. Wala. Rebound again. Wala pa rin. Enocando. Wala. Ayun na. Steal by Ong. Pass to number 1. Number 2 to Cruz. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by Ong. Ong kick out. Number 8. And there's a foul. Shooting the line in jersey number 8. From Lourdes School. Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 second. Second shot is good. Ochoa. Pass to number 57. Pass to Marty. To Ochoa. Ochoa. To Acuzar. Short. Rebound. That's a jump ball. Rep. Basket. Right, jersey number 9. And Kiani. Oh, steal by Ochoa. Nice hustle play. Marty. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Marty. Naka-recover. Number 27. Number 11. Pass to number 1. Buhay. Ostat Soriano. Oh, steal by Ochoa. Ochoa all the way. Basket is good. 28-13. Ayan na, double team. There's a foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. Nasa corner. Hand off to number 11. Llamas. minute and 3 seconds. Number 1 to number 29. Oh, steal. Steal again by number 29. Soriano, jump shot, short, rebound by Enocando. Enocando, pass to Marty. Marty to Tulfo. Pass to Ochoa, catch and shoot, basket by Ochoa. 38. Ayan na, Soriano. Pass to Josh. Cruz. Crossover. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Soriano. Out of bounds. Time remaining. Last 6 seconds. Tulfo to Loki Cruz. And basket 3 by Loki Cruz. End of the first half. Official score 33 to 13. So, pagkatapos ng ating second quarter. Okay, halftime tayo. Change court. And muli, shoutout po sa ating butihing mayor, Mayor Francis Zamora, Ma'am Carrie Zamora as well, at sa pamilya Zamora is watching. Magandang araw po sa bawat isa, especially din sa Lasal Green Hills parents. Ayan, maraming salamat po for welcoming me here para i-cover ang inyong mga laban. Third quarter.
Change court.
Sila dun sa kabila eh.
Ano nga eh, paano kaya ito? Anong dati ulit? Sa corner ulit? Pero maliwanag po dun eh, mas maliwanag eh. Against the light kasi dito eh. Pwede niyo upuan mo? Ayan, dalhin natin.
Hindi. Ako sa
Okay, babalik tayo ah. Wide. Hindi, minsan zoom po pag ano. Pag ano lang, pagka-press ka nun.
Pwede zoom, huwag lang wide. Bakit yung
Picture tayo kay paring Matthew. Matthew! Easy si Mateo eh. Let's go, third quarter. Ngayon nga, may laban. Nagpilagay siya. Ha? Nagpilagay. Pag-picture naman naman tatlo. Oh, dali, go. Thank you. 100. Uy, short.
Uy! Spin.
In-endorse ko kayo sa atin na yun. Sa atin na yun, in-endorse ko pa.
Hindi, ano naman yun? Food naman din. Meron din naman. Tombi's Burger. Pass to Cruz. There's a foul. Offensive foul by Ojeda.
Kitang-kita eh.
Oh, good. Block from behind. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Oh. Robles. Number 7. Bounce pass to Shensha. Number 7. Ooh. There's a foul. The side step. Hi, Cruz. Number 7 to Shensha. No good. Rebound by Martres. Pass to Loki. Steal. Out over. Loki for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Loki Cruz. 40-17. Oh, another steal by Cruz. Basket. Josh to Robles. Robles to Shensha. Oh, blocked by Martinez.
Ang comment mo dapat, Kambal, pinasa kay Kambal, nag-teleport.
Oh, pag ganun na yan. Pag-lick.
Oo, nakabagay.
Blocked again by Martinez. Cruz to Cruz. Loki to Thiago. Martinez. Steal by number 7. Mabulak. To Robles. Robles block. By Cruz. Josh to Robles for 3. 3-point para kay Robles. 20-42. Cruz, jump shot. 3-point ba? 2 points lang daw po, sabi natin referee. Messina to Cruz. Josh, block by Martinez. Ibang by Mabulak. There's a foul. Number 27, no good. Rebound by Mabula. It's a foul. Yat po, yat po. Basket para Mabula. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Again. Ngayon. 62-60. Jump shot! Yes, sir! Steal by Mangahas. Ochoa. There's a foul. Pre, naka ano ka? 46 kayo dito, bro. $46.22, kuya, pre. Okay, thank you, bang. Thank you. Showa to mga ahas. Wala. Number 24, up and under. Grabe. Pinalusot sa kilikili. Ni number 24. Martinez. Bad pass. Steal by mga ahas. Tulfo. And just 8 traveling. Josh Cruz. And there's a foul. Penalty. On the free throw area, Cruz, Josh. Time remaining 1 minute and 16 seconds. Championship din sa Batis pre. Punta kayo? Malamang, punta kayo. Championship sa Batis. Ngayon. Punta kayo sila ngayon. Ay, wala na. Ay, opening nga pala lang Hindi natin alam kung pupunta pero tingnan natin maya. There's a foul. Cruz. Ochoa back to Loki from the corner three. Yes, para sa tres. Para kay Luque. Luque Cruz. Josh attacking the basket to number 5. Steal by Loki. Cruz. Back to Loki. Top of the key for 3. Wala. There's a foul number 9. Last 14 seconds. Matik yan.
Bilis parang wala pa akong matinubuan.
Mabulak on the free throw area. Shot para kay Mabulak. Basket. Cruz. Pass to Kian. That's it, traveling violation.
Ay, putak, Edward.
Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score 29-50. Quarter tayo. Back to the ball game. Here we go, fourth quarter. Steal by Marty. Marty. Out of bounds. Robles. Back to Robles. Sensha, cross. Number 26, no good. Asprek. Penkian. Pass to Ochoa. To Marty. Di Marukot. To Ochoa. No good. Rebound by Sensha. Number 32. Robles. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Penkian. To Marty. Setting on the play. Ochoa. Pass to Di Marukot from corner. No good. Rebound by Sensha. Robles. Number 32. Number 26. Back to Robles. Pinasa corner. Jump shot. Too strong. Out of bounds. Robles. Back to Robles. Floater, no good. Last game na, coach. Pep.
MP. Manny Pacquiao.
MP lights. Then Marukot, pass to Marty. Penkian. Akin the basket. Oh, no good. Rebound. 24-second shot clock violation. Robles. Sensha for 3. Wala. Rebound by Di Marukot. Di Marukot na bitawan. Nagagawan. Oh. Still kuha ni Robles. Robles spin. Side step. Oh, foul. Number 32 on free throw area. No good. Timeout. Ba? Marty for 3. Point para kay Marty Oriel. Mabulak from the corner. Wala. Ibang by Penkian. Marty, titira ulit sa 3, short. Rebound by Robles. Former Lasal. Robles. Pass to Cruz. Top of the key for 3. 2 points lang daw po. Sabi natin referee, 31-53. Ochoa, no good. Pass break. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Block. Ochoa, floater, wala. Wala pa rin, bias break. Number 7, nagmamadali. Pinigay sa corner. Number 1, wala. Marty.
Uy, pinasahan si... Last touch, Matt.
Ano yung bola? Last touch.
Number 7 to Josh. Pass to Mabulak. Steal. Marty. Stop and pump. No good. It's a foul. Tulfo coming in. 31-53. Mabulak. Basket. Marty Oriel. Pinala sa corner. 4-3. Short. Here we go. Mabulak. Nagmamadali. Spin move. Kick out. To Josh. Oh, wala. Ibang may ass break. Toy still. Mabulak to Josh. Cruz. No good. Ibang may Pengyan. Marty. Tulfo. Back to Pengyan. Backdoor pass. Still. There's a foul. May aspect. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Robles. Wala. Mabulak, and there's a foul. Number 7, Asprek. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds rather.
Commercial break ba natin? Commercial.
Commercial. Port na. Makakauwi ka pa eh. Edit pa more. Number score. Ooh, 3-point. By jersey number 4. Tulfo. Still by De Marocot. To Marty Oriel. Pass to Tulfo. De Marocot to Oriel for 3. Yes. Para sa 3 by Marty Oriel. Number 24, kick out to number 4. Wala. Ayun na. Si Marty ay. Oriel to De Marocot. Pass to Pegan. Pass break. Don't. Mother. Oh, good. Last 19 seconds. Ooh. Last 11 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. And shoutout, Boss Matt. Okay, our final score 56-39. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And God bless everyone. Keep safe. Panalo po ang ating Lasal Green Hills. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.